Welcome back, students. In this video, we will discuss about polynomial division. But the most important thing is, as part of the syllabus, the recent syllabus which was modified, the division algorithm is not part of the CBSE board syllabus. It's very clearly published in a couple of websites, like you can see here, polynomials, division algorithm for polynomials. It has been a deleted syllabus. However, I find some of these schools and institutes teaching this as a backup or to help them in the maybe in any competitive exams. I'm not sure why. So just for record sake, I will teach very few or very basic part of the polynomial division. Whether this is important or not, I would request you to check with your mathematics teacher. So let us understand division first. So are you able to tell from this division what is a divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder? Ideally you should be knowing, but still as a refresher, divisor is 12, the one which is being divided is dividend, quotient is 21, and 4 is the remainder. In the same way for polynomials, polynomial divisions also goes the same way, and you find this was the divisor, dividend is whatever is being divided, remainder is here, and the quotient is whatever you get by dividing it. So same thing applies here, nothing different. So let me take a simple example where you are going to divide x cube by x, which I'm sure mentally you are going to immediately throw the answer as x square, but I just want to explain you the approach. So you see what value in the question mark when multiplied by x will give you value of x cube. That is the way the divisional polynomials must be approached. So it is x square in this case. It's very straightforward. X square into x will give you x cube. And after you get the value of x cube, you subtract it. And now the divisor is x, the dividend is x cube, quotient is x square, and remainder is 0. Now let me extend this to a little more complex or a one step. I add one coefficient. Now x square minus 4 divided by x. So the first question you need to ask is what value of, my mouse pointer is freeze, 1 minute. Okay, what value of in the question mark will give you x square? It is going to be x. So when I multiply x in the question mark with this x, I get the value x square. So this is the way I'll be putting the first part of the coefficient x. And after you put this, you are supposed to subtract. When you subtract, this is as you do in your usual division. When you subtract, you'll be adding mentally, or if you can put a small minus mark here, you can put a small, again my screen gets freeze, I don't know why. 1 minute. You can put a small minus mark here so that you can subtract it. So after you subtract, you get the value of minus 4. Now in this case, the divisor is x, dividend is x square minus 4, and quotient is x, remainder is 4. So this is just to give you a very basic overview of polynomial divisions, which is not in your syllabus. And I think with this, we have completed most of the lessons on polynomials. If there are any questions or problems which is not covered in any of the previous videos or samples, please do drop a comment in one of the videos and I'll definitely see and answer it, or I will create a new video if required. I can do that. So with this, we close polynomials, and from the next video, most probably I will pick up trigonometry or any other chapter, coordinate geometry or whatever. So bye till then.